GLSUN, a leading technology enterprise with 23 years of R&D and manufacturing experience. Since 2001, GLSUN has been committed to technological innovation and comprehensive industrial chain development. From raw materials to chips, GLSUN control the whole process to ensure the excellent performance of each chip. In the packaging stage, using the most cutting-edge technology to ensure the stability and durability of the chips. Our ability to produce passive components in-house lays the foundation for the stability of our products. Integrated modules, flexible configuration, meet diverse market demands. From design to finished product, we strive for excellence in every step to provide the most reliable board-level equipment. 23 years of focus and accumulation have made us pursue technology and quality relentlessly. Our technical team is constantly breaking through and innovating to provide customers with the highest quality products and services. GLSUN's products, widely used in all walks of life, have won the trust and praise of global customers. GLSUN, full industry chain self-R&D and manufacturing, leading the future of technology.